Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Angular Scheduler appointments to an Excel document. You will also learn how to export documents with custom fields, individual occurrences of recurring series, and custom event data. I will also show you how to change the file name, file format, and column headers. First, I open my existing Angular application, where I've added the basic code to render the Angular Scheduler. To learn more about integrating the scheduler component into an Angular application, please check the Getting Started video linked in the card above and the description below. I run this application using the command ngserve. See, the scheduler component is rendered with the provided appointments. To enable exporting, I open the app module TS file, import the ExcelExportService from the Syncfusion EJ2 Angular Schedule package, and register it in the provider's array of the ng module. Then, I need to add the toolbar item to export the Excel document. To do that, I include the ActionBegin event and assign the callback method onActionBegin. I open the app component TS file and define the method onActionBegin. This method receives an argument of type toolbarActionArguments, which is imported from the Syncfusion EJ2 Angular Schedule package. Inside this method, I add a condition to check whether the request type is toolbarItemRendering, and declare the variable exportItem of type item model. I import the item model from the Syncfusion EJ2 Navigations package. Then, I set the basic options like the text to Excel export and the prefix icon to eIcon schedule Excel export. I push this export item to the toolbarActionArguments items property. I open the style CSS file and define the icon content for the schedule Excel export class. Checking now, the Excel export toolbar option was added. When clicking this item, appointments should be exported to Excel. So, I bind the click event to the item and assign the callback method onExportClick. I define this method here. Before proceeding further, I need to create a reference for the scheduler to access its built-in methods. So, I add the reference variable to the scheduler component. In the app component TS file, I import the viewChild directive from the Angular core package. Using this directive, I'll declare an instance for the scheduler component. Inside the onExportClick method, I call the export to Excel method using the scheduler instance. When I click this Excel export item, appointments will be exported to the Excel file. All the default fields mapped to the scheduler component will be exported. I can also export the appointments with specific fields. To do that, I declare the variable options of type exportOptions, which is imported from the Syncfusion EJ2 Angular Schedule package. I set the fields ID, subject, start time, end time, and location. Then, I pass this options variable to the export to Excel method. When I click this item, the downloaded Excel document contains only the fields specified. Next, I'll show you how to export scheduler appointments with custom column headers. Inside the onExportClick method, I declare the variable custom fields of type exportFieldInfo, which is imported from the Syncfusion EJ2 Angular Schedule package. In each object, I specify the column's name and assign a custom name using the text property. Then, I add the field's info property in the options variable and assign the custom fields variable. Notice here, the Excel document has been generated with the columns specified in the field's info property, and customized based on the provided custom text. By default, the Excel document name is Schedule. To change that, I include the file name property in the options variable and assign the value appointments. When I export the document, it will be saved under the name Appointments. I edit this appointment to repeat daily. But when I export it, the exported Excel document contains only the original appointment. To export all the occurrences, I enable the Include Occurrences property in the Options variable. Checking now, all the occurrences were exported to the Excel document. But only data of the current week was exported. By default, the Excel document will be exported in XLSX format. You can also save the Excel document in CSV format. To do that, I add the Export Type property in the Options variable and assign the value CSV. Checking now, the scheduler appointments are exported in the CSV format. Finally, I will show you how to import the custom event collection into an Excel document. I set the property custom data to the options variable and assign a few appointments. See here, the Excel document contains the custom event collection details. In this video, I showed you how to export Angular Scheduler appointments to an Excel document and use some basic options. You can download a working example of this from the GitHub link in the description for this video below. You can also see if you're eligible for our community license, which will get you a free license key to use our Angular products. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel.